sample items. These are used to display dimensions of default packaging options and allow an admin to add or create new packaging options. In order to add/create a new packaging option, press plus located in the top right corner of the page. And then fill in the fields by providing a name of the package, let's say it's package 1, indicating the type of delivery, whether it's domestic or international. In case it's domestic, click yes. In case it's international, click no. Set priority number. Indicate units of measurements, centimeters/kilograms or inches/pounds. And indicate the dimensions of a new packaging option. Let's say it's 10 by 10 by 20 and weight 5. Then you need to paste a sample item image. Click apply and then submit. Your selected picture will appear here. And then to lock in the changes, click save. You can view a newly created package option over here, named Package 1. All the default packaging options are also displayed on this screen: document size, phone size, small box, medium box size, large box size, extra large box size, TV size, and tube size. In case you don't need a new packaging option, you can choose one of the default ones available on the website.